Hello, today we will learn how to plot the points on a position time graph. First thing, we check the data that we have. We're representing the time and the position. The time is represented on the x-axis in seconds, and the position is represented on the y-axis in meters. The first point, at the time 0 seconds, the position was 0 meters, so this should be the point. Now, next point. When the time was 1 second, the position was at 2 meters. So this is 1 second. We take a line up to 2 meters. Then we draw a line to the y-axis. This is the intersection. This should be the point. Next point is at 2 seconds, the position is 3 meters. So at 2 seconds, we draw the line. It is 3 meters. So the point should be at the intersection. This is the point. At 3 seconds, the position was 3 meters. So this is 3 seconds. We draw a line parallel to the y-axis, and then a line parallel to the x-axis to the 3 meters. So this is the point. It should be at this intersection point. At 4 seconds, the position was -1 meter. So at 4 seconds, we go to -1, and then we draw a line to -1. So this point of intersection is the point for that instant. At 5 seconds, the position is -2 meters. This is 5 seconds. We draw down to -2, and then we draw to the -2 on the position dimension. The point should be this intersection point. At 6 seconds, the position is -2 meters. So this is 6 seconds. We draw a line down to -2, a line to -2 again, and then there the point is. At 7 seconds, the position is 1 meter. So this is 7 seconds. We draw a line up to 1, and then we go this way to 1. This point of intersection is the point. At 8 seconds, the position is 1 meter. So at 8 seconds, we go up to 1. We draw this line to 1, and this is the point. Now we're done plotting the points. We have to draw the graph. So we join the points. We join this point with this point, and then this point with this point with the following one, and so on. We join them one after another. So this is the graph representing the motion that is given in the table. Now, if we wanted to interpret the motion on this graph from 0 seconds to 1 second for this part, we're representing position versus time. So the slope, which is rise over run, will be 2 over 1, which is 2 meters per second.